Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on. Go to Settings now, then Smart Gestures or Shortcuts, and toggle Circle Search active. Once done, grant the permissions it needs, screen access and search privileges, so the system can capture and query content. Make sure you're on the latest IQOO Z9 firmware to avoid compatibility issues. An update often adds reliability. After enabling, practice drawing a small circle on a blank home screen to confirm the gesture registers immediately. Now configure how Circle Search behaves. Open the Circle Search settings and pick the default search provider, browser, assistant, or a custom app so results open where you expect. Then set sensitivity and the activation zone. Tighter sensitivity avoids accidental triggers. To use it, draw a small O anywhere on the screen. The phone captures the screen area and launches the chosen search. You'll see a quick processing animation. Wait a beat so the capture completes before interacting with results. Finish by learning to refine what circle returns. Tap any result to open the app, copy text, or run follow-up searches. This is how you turn a quick capture into a specific action. If you want better detection, enable OCR and image search in the feature settings so text and objects are recognized more accurately. If Circle stops responding, reboot the phone, confirm permissions again, and clear the search app cache. That fixes most failures and restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.